If you have an irritated scalp and are craving relief, let me tell you what I tell all my clients. Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, certified trichologist and hairstylist for over 20 years. This 3-step routine is made for sensitive scalps. It helps calm irritation, reduce flakes, and instantly relieve itch, while supporting a balanced, healthy microbiome. We're not just treating the surface here, we're resetting the scalp and helping prevent irritation from coming back. Start with the cleanse. It's extremely gentle and made without sulfates, so it won't strip your scalp. Apply 2 pumps into your hand and emulsify with water. Apply directly to the scalp, starting at the nape of the neck and working towards the hairline. Cleanse twice for optimal results and rinse thoroughly. It helps remove loose flakes and refresh the scalp without causing more irritation. Next is the conditioner. It hydrates and softens the hair without weighing it down. Focus it through the mid-lengths and ends, then rinse out clean, leaving your hair smooth and hydrated without residue. And now the serum. This is the real star of the routine, designed to instantly calm the scalp and reduce itch and flakes while restoring balance. Apply 1 to 2 pipettes throughout your scalp. Use it on clean, damp hair or dry. It's lightweight and doesn't leave a residue. You can also spot treat areas of your scalp that are dry and itchy. Massage it in gently with your fingertips. The cooling effect kicks in right away, and daily use helps keep sensitivity in check over time. The scalp's microbiome plays a major role in irritation and flakes. When it's out of balance, sensitivity, itch and dryness follow. This serum restores balance fast, relieving dry scalp itch in just 30 seconds and reducing flakes in 30 days. That's it. Simple, soothing and made to calm your scalp instantly while helping prevent flakes and irritation from coming back.